from Esther, Western, and of course, the Central region. And tonight, I'll be serving you as your anchor host. I'll have chit-chat later with the audiences, and at the same time, I will give you what's happening backstage. Wow, ladies.
Dave, back to you.
Yes, thank you, Amira. And one of the candidates is not already awarded. He is Mr. Photogenic, and Mr. Personality with me is Mr. Buhol. Paninig naman ang inyong support kay Mr. Buhol. We are getting closer to the ground because next is the formal round for Sir Raya. Thank you for the gift. And behind me, sila ang mga tao who played a very important. Ma'am Ace Pagarigan. She is wearing a red gown. Sino po ang designer mo?
Of course, ang nag-iisang Evelyn Rosario.
The father of the Filipino community, Mr. Ricky Paquin of the Philippine Airlines. Hi sir, magandang gabi po.
Hello to everyone. Congratulations to MIPH.
For everyone's information, he will serve as one of our judges. So Ricky, kagaya po ng tanong ko, ano po sir ang mga hinahanap ng quality ng ating susunod na Mr. International?
Well, for me, it's important that they show confidence, and of course, how they carry themselves.
Nag-hi ka naman sa iyong mga supporters. I can see you have a lot of supporters outside.
Ayan, sa mga sumusuporta sa akin sa labas, muna kayo! Yay! Thank you so much.
In a few minutes, mag-start na po tayo. We'll see you later.